Hello, this is the stuff I got from the auction, from Saturday's auction. I bought shark's teeth. This was $8. Not the best of conditions, interesting stuff. And what I plan on doing, and don't tell my grandkids or nephews and nieces, is when I take them to the beach, I'm going to just drop these strategically so they'll find shark's teeth. Because we hadn't been able to find any. So I'm cheating, but they don't know that. And this was $3. There's 3 trays. An iris pattern. I hadn't cleaned them up yet. Looks to be in good condition. So excited about that. I like that. It's pretty. But this is probably going to get gifted. And I got 2 of these. Let's try to get it out again. And actually I was going for the frame. It's old. Spider eggs. But here's the other one. And what I plan on doing, I like the bamboo frame. Bamboo, it's not made, I don't think it's real bamboo, it's bamboo design. I like that. And I prefer to hang them this way, landscape instead of portrait. Got this lovely metal hanger that's screwed on, so I can unscrew that and drill holes and put it the other way. But they also got, they were sold, the pairs were sold separately. And this isn't very long. I thought it was, and you can't tell from the picture sometimes how big or small something is. So you have to be careful with that, but I think I like this smaller size. I'm going to do some sort of organization thing. I'm taking the mat and putting something in there, and then using a dry erase, using that as like a whiteboard. Now normally I'd like sets. I like things that go together. But these, I'm actually going to make gifts. I'm going to wrap this along with some tea and some other goodies and make these gifts. So I got this whole, it's not a saucer. I don't know what, I hadn't even gone through this real well to see what goes with what. Definitely have enough of those. I've seen this pattern before. A friend of mine was posting pictures of something she wanted to get. This goes. I like this. I wish I had a set of that. Let's see, I've got 4, 9, 10 teacups. I guess this goes, a creamer that goes with that one. And a bunch of saucers. I don't know if, I don't think I got enough saucers for these teacups. But I just thought that would be fun as a gift. I'll figure out something, you know, with the extra teacups or extra plates. And these were $3. The minimum bid on Saturdays are $3. So, did that. I thought these were so cool. These are French lidded casseroles. They're much deeper than, you know, the Corel. And the smaller one has the vegetables. The larger one has a fruit pattern. They were separate. They were $3 each. No one else bid on them. Good condition. And that's how we know they're French. It says fireproof porcelain. Looks like some from some of the stickers I took off of them, that they were probably in one of those consignment antique shops. Fruit oven to table cookware. Thought that was pretty cool. I've been wanting something like this a little deeper. I like to cook stuff, and the crock pot's okay, and sometimes I like to do things in the oven, but these are much deeper compared to, you know, the sides, how wide. Now this was listed as Asian sewing baskets and tin. So this is the sewing basket or tin of stuff, which I didn't care about. These just look interesting. So I had to check it out. And looks like smoke, like they were over a fireplace or something. And I'm pretty sure I can fix, clean it up at least. Fix some of this. Made in China. I couldn't get it opened. I was trying to figure out what it was. And then this one gave it away. Oolong tea. Pure oolong tea. So these are tea canisters. So something to do. Something else to do. So another treasure. This whole set. As far as I can tell, there's no damage. Oh, I spoke too soon. Yeah. Looks like this got glued back together. I could feel it. They did a good job because some of it I can't see. Yeah, this one definitely got broke, but even, let's see how the other ones. Yeah, that one's good. This is good. There's no... It's always good to get it in its original package. There's a little crackle glaze on it. This one was $5. So even if you take this one out, $1 a piece. But it makes a nice gift, and I will mark that as, you know, don't drink with that. The diesel tank I didn't bring inside. It's one of those big yellow 5-gallon containers with the spout. And the last two items, I know I put them in the car, and it's probably where I put my car keys with it. I put them down somewhere. I can't find it. I've been looking and looking. Thought, well, if I find it, I'll show those. But in the sewing lot, and it says basket, it's one of those folding ones. So I've got a fourth one now, but it's folded up, and I don't know what kind of condition that's in. That's $5. And a box of lace. It was a bunch of different lace in a stack, about that big in a box. And I'm pretty sure I didn't leave it at the auction, but just in case. But I know I put that. I know that was in the car. I remember removing it. I don't know where I put it though. Probably ended up in the black hole that's the spare room. So that's my stuff. Prices here, so you can see how crazy I went. So a lot of these items I bid on more stuff. And I guess with the holidays, there's not a lot of competition, so I'm getting a lot more stuff than normal. Before Christmas, it's like I would pull the same strategy, and I'd only end up with 1 or 2 items. And usually I had to bid on them. So it's an addiction. And next will be, in the next video, is Monday nights.